If I'm being honest, this was pretty much a lax day. I really didn't do much, but you'll see a little bit of the pickup, some networking that I did, and just the way that goes. All right, so we had a late start to the day. I was finna do a pickup, but the people not answering the phone, so I'm finna stop at a coffee shop out here and do some editing and probably make some calls. I don't know how loud it's gonna be in there or how spacious it is in there for real. I ain't trying to just disturb nobody, but that's what we finna do. For right now, U of M, got the Highland Strip right here, man. It's the infamous train. Keep you from getting to class on time, going where you want to go, make it late, all that good stuff. Okay, so I thought I was gonna be doing some editing, but what took it a lot longer to download. I'm still not even done downloading all the footage, but the lady called back, so I'm finna go ahead and do that. Pick up, get everything back to the warehouse, and after that, probably stop, give me something to eat, and then get to some editing. Thinking about going to that little vegan spot at Crosstown. I will see me at the house. Boy, it's hot out here today. Sun beaming. Okay. Whew. That's how much water gotta go. Yeah, I gotta fold this up, and that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Don't got my uniform on today, but hey, we here. Now that I think about it, I ain't even got a dolly. I'm gonna have to carry this junk to the truck on my back. Not gonna lie though, I can't wait to give me something to eat. All these junks got a specific way that you gotta fold it, and if you don't do it that way, you risk having a hard day. When it comes to moving these junks, storing them, it can get ugly real fast. They must got a sprinkler system out here. I know it didn't rain yesterday. This junk stuck in my head. That voice to Atlantis. I've been out here like 15 minutes and I'm already drenching in sweat. The phone is overheated. Well, I'm finna load up so we can get ready to go. Ooh, that's hot. Golly. This junk just been sitting in the sun. It's straight metal. I don't know how I'm finna pick this up and get it to the truck. I wrap that around. Boy, that heat's something serious. But now I gotta give me something to eat. I ain't ate all day. About 3 o'clock. Yep, 3 o'clock. I said I wanted to do the vegan junk, but I ain't feeling vegan no more. So I'm gonna see. I'll show y'all when I get there though. I wasn't even gonna record. So I get in here, I got the stuff in here right there. Y'all see it on the dolly. I try to use this dolly and it don't move. And the reason it's not moving is because it was a whole terminal stuck in here that came off of that right there. So now we gotta get this whole thing replaced to make sure that dolly work. I was just showing y'all that so y'all know. There's always gonna be some man. Gotta figure out how to roll with the punches. I got my mind together. I'm actually gonna go to the little vegan spot out here across town. We actually do a lot of events out here. I know we done did Mario Day the last probably like 2 or 3 years, so that's coming up. These folks out here playing soccer. This is something new to me. I ain't never got out of school and been like, yeah, bro, get that soccer ball out, bro. But hey, I love it. Something new, something different. Going to Global Cafe. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. You probably don't even remember. We played on the Rams together, bro. Swear to God. Oh, God. I was a little bit younger.
What team to play football? You stopped.
I played at Memphis.
Oh, smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, so you was with Lil Tim and them.
Yeah, I played with Tim too.
Okay, smooth. Good
Yeah.
deal.
What you got going up here?
Man, I'm just up here with my family. I live in Atlanta. I'm doing some work and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah, trying to get out the house a little bit.
How them grants go?
So
I remember.
I went to the thing and I checked out the thing. I got all the information, but I ain't.
You ain't do it, bro.
I ain't used it yet.
Why?
I just ain't yet. I'm looking for my idea first. what I want to use it for.
Oh, gotcha. So you don't have like a business or a non-profit you would use it for yet?
Yeah, not yet.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
But now I got a blueprint. One of the non-profits, bro. I ain't really talking about it, but thinking about like, it just depends. Like I don't know if I'm gonna come back.
Gotcha.
So, yeah,
hey, when you
on that.
if you decide to move forward on that, let me know, bro. We can do something.
More definitely.
All right, bro.
All
Good
right,
seeing you. Told y'all, bro. You never know when you're gonna be networking, man. See what we on. Are they open? Okay, they open. Am I tripping? Today Monday. They closed on Monday. I tried to do vegan, man, but it didn't work. Can't say I ain't tried, bro. I might go to Foreign Burger though. Are they closed too? I guess I'm going to Abner's then. It's crazy. I'm trying to think. Do I want to go to Chipotle? Yeah, I'd rather go to Chipotle than go to what's the name? I'm on computer. I'm finna eat first though. And I ordered my mic off of Amazon. It came with these little headphones, so I could be like in a space like this. I could edit my videos. You know what I'm saying? To hear everything without disrupting, you know, whatever's going on already. But no lettuce, tomato, nothing. I'm so hungry, I forgot. But y'all, let's see some of these finished videos. I think I got like 3 or 4 that I'm finalizing the edits on.